Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hikmah. On this opportunity, I will present the result of my thesis research entitled Cost Effectiveness Analysis of Empirical Antibiotic Levofloxacin compared to Ceftriaxone Azithromycin combination in hospitalized CIP patient at RSA UGM. Community-acquired pneumonia or CIP is an infectious lower respiratory tract disease and causes millions of mortality worldwide. CIP also causes high cost of treatment in Indonesia and related to high antibiotic use. This study objective is to analyze the effectiveness, safety, and cost effectiveness of using an empirical antibiotic in CIP in patient. This study used a retrospective cohort research design. The research flow began with an electronic health record search. Patients who met the inclusion and exclusion criteria were divided into two groups. EHR data and billing statement were then analyzed to obtain effectiveness, safety, and direct medical costs. Cost effectiveness calculation were performed using clinical effectiveness data and direct medical costs. For the result, there were 50 patients in the levofloxacin group and 37 patients in ceftriaxone azithromycin group. All the patient characteristics in both empirical antibiotic group had no significant difference. For the first outcome is effectiveness. Effectiveness parameter is assessed based on clinical stability 72 hours after the use of an empirical antibiotic. The clinical stability parameter include body temperature, pulse rate, respiratory rate, systolic blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. There was no significant difference in clinical outcome between the two antibiotic groups. For the outcome of safety, there was no significant difference in the incidence of adverse drug reaction. The most common manifestation of levofloxacin ADR were nausea and rash, while azithromycin causes the life-threatening ADR of prolonged QT interval. The ACER value of levofloxacin is lower, around 70,000 rupiah, compared to the combination of ceftriaxone azithromycin around 93,000 rupiah. With effectiveness, there is no significantly different. Based on the cost effectiveness diagram, levofloxacin were in quadrant 3 because it has lower effectiveness and cost, requiring the calculation of ACER. The ACER value of combination group was found to be around 1,100,000 rupiah. Last, for the conclusion, the effectiveness and safety of levofloxacin and ceftriaxone azithromycin combination was not significantly different. Prolonged QT interval was an ADR that occurred in patients who received azithromycin. If ceftriaxone and azithromycin combination is used as an empirical antibiotic for CIP, an additional cost of around 1,100,000 rupiah is required to obtain 1% of cure. Thank you.